What is going on, everybody? It is Fitzmiller and the R32 back here with another video. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I have been waiting for this. More content with the R32. We are back. I just wanted to start today's video off by giving a huge shout out and thank you to Mike Cunningham, the owner and operator of Cunning Fab LLC. You guys can see he laid down some absolute dimers on this thing. And then not only is it fixed with quality, it is fixed with care and love as well. He knocked this out just in time for me to go to Gatlinburg. Today is Tuesday night. We are getting ready to toss the arm in right now, get an alignment tomorrow, and then leave for Gatlinburg on Thursday. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. We got our mandatory working on the car slides, and we got our mandatory working on the car bed. But when I initially took the arm out of the car, even before that, I had trouble getting these ball joints out. The arm itself was stuck on the ball joints, so I went and picked up a pickle fork. Right here, this thing is a pickle fork. Now, while this will remove ball joints, and it did this afternoon, they destroy them. If you are replacing an arm and dealing with ball joints, but trying to save them, if they're not shot already, do not get a pickle fork. That was my mistake. But on the bright side, now that these are destroyed, we have new ball joints. We got some fresh boys in here. I actually got these in and onto the car maybe a week ago. I was just waiting to get my arm repaired. So as you guys can see, you got fresh ball joints, inner and outer, on this thing, and we are ready to put the arm in. Well, we got Ryan here. I'm passing him the sticks, and let's toss this arm in. We are gonna start by taking off this Newcastle nut, and let's hope that this shit lines up for real. So far, so good. If anybody knows how to... Oh, never mind. They're just really stiff. Okay. I'm silly. Gosh, those are fresh ball joints, man. Oh, come on. Oh. Fuck a mallet. I am the mallet. Whoa.
Oh, shit.
Oh, my goodness. All right. So we got that threaded far enough. Now, we're going to mess with the angle of the inner ball joint to see if we can slide the lower control arm over it. And then, oh, as always, easier said than done. I was making it a lot harder for myself. If I just turn the wheel a little bit, we're good. We're really, well, we're close anyway. Oh yeah, come on. Come on, man. Stick on there for me. Ugh. All right, I'm getting that mallet. Where the mallet? I'm spinning on the person. Laundromat.
RNS.
We are doing some RNS right now.
Mad RNS core.
Come on, man. If this doesn't thread, I'm selling it. I'm selling the car.
It would be definitely
there we go.
Sell core moment.
There we go, baby. All right, now we're gonna impact the living shit out of this arm on. Yeah, we got our tensioner arm. And if this arm was repaired to spec, which there's not really a spec, but if it were to be repaired to spec, yeah, these should just slide right in. Oh man, we're close. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Mike Cunningham.
Yo, for real, shout out Mike.
Shout out Mike, always down to help out no matter what time of day it is.
Bro, fuck a mallet.
And the best thing is, dude knows what he's doing.
Guys, it is smart to go ahead and just get everything hand tight. This is something I've made the mistake of doing too many times. It's just getting something on,
yeah,
and then just, you know, impacting the living shit out of it. And then you can't move whatever else you're supposed to move. So, all right, we got everything hand tight on here. By the way, the ball joints, they've already been impacted like to hell and back. So, fucking tighten this thing down, man. Man, I got my spidey senses tingling after that catch. This outer nut right here is a 19. All right. I wish we got that.
Yeah.
But, all right. The inner nut on the inner ball joint for me is a 22. Alright,
Leg control arm again.
Oh, finally, man.
Oh!
The last thing we have to do before we put this thing on the ground is pop the little
Cotter pin.
Cotter pin, thank you.
Yeah.
And then we putting this hoe on the ground, man.
Bet.
If you guys missed the video of Ryan and I attempting to put transmission fluid in his car, go check that out. But
Don't go check it out.
that was a journey and a half. Fingers crossed his car makes it. Fingers crossed my car makes it. But we gonna find out in a couple days. Here's the cotter pin I was talking about. Nice and fresh. I don't think my inner one has one, or if it does, I've never had one. So let's pop this thing in the outer ball joint. Another mistake I don't want you guys to make. If you have aluminum lug nuts, do not ratchet them down with an impact. Do not impact them down. I made that mistake with my 326 lugs. Had to get new lugs, had to get new spacers.
Pretty suck.
They kind of suck, man. Like, these are work lug nuts. Check that out, check that out. Yeah, yeah.
It ain't even.
Scary part, man. Man, I'm literally shivering in my britches right now. In my timbers. I think we're good. I mean, it's barely gonna be on the wood on that side.
Sir, we are fitted.
Oh my goodness. Okay, one in a row. Gold star.
No.
Well, I see it in my mirror.
Okay.
Whoever put these fucking toilets here, I can't get any closer to the wall. Finally, this has been a long, man, like, I'm gonna say month. It's probably taken a month to get to this point, but the car is back on the ground. Now, initially, when I had these arms extended, I don't remember or can't remember if they were 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches. I took some pictures of the other arm, I did some measurements, and we ended up with 1.5 inches extension from the arm that was still on the car and not bent. Backing it out, I did hear just a little bit of rubbing, so I don't know if something else is a little off. I don't know if we extended the arm a little bit more than the other side, but worst case, I'm gonna see if it settles, changes a little bit. But like I said, worst case, we can just raise this front corner a little bit. It is, I'll see if you guys can see it. It doesn't look all that different, right? It's just this corner right here that pokes out a little bit more. And it's not too toe out, it's pretty close to the alignment. But if we come over to this side, it's very, very close. It's very close, and it's really hard to tell. I'm gonna take it up the street and see if it rubs or if we can get it to stop rubbing. It looks like my caster is a little bit more aggressive on this side, a little bit farther towards the front of the car. If you guys take a look at this space and this space, it looks like the wheel is positioned closer to the front of the car compared to the back of the car. On the other side, and the caster almost looks more aggressive on this side. God damn, does this thing look good. Am I happy to have it back as well. I just got back from taking it up the street and it rubbed ever so slightly. My wheel is still crooked by a little bit, so we are gonna go ahead and take it tomorrow to get it aligned. All in all, the car is back. Needs to be dialed in. I am gonna go ahead and raise this front left, so let's do that real fast. Alright.
Yeah, fuck your Model 5s, bro.
Massive shout out to Danny Polino for the wrenches.
Nah, fuck that guy.
I've had these for like 3 months. We literally just need this to be high enough to not touch this bumper.
That shit is smoking.
Oh, for real?
I think I saw some smoke, low key. I didn't get it on video, I don't think.
I am gonna go tomorrow after work and get this thing aligned. And
Who you getting aligned by?
Melvin, the alignment guy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna get out of the street. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all again.